Hi, everybody. Hope you guys had a good weekend. I just wanted to go over week 8 of quarter 3 with you guys. So, first and foremost, when you log into class, always check your inbox for any emails that I may send you and also check announcements. So, if we go to announcements, you'll see that we have 5 assignments this week. So, you're going to click on week number 8, quarter 3. And we've got 5 assignments. So, the first 2 are due on Monday/Tuesday, and first one is a quiz, how to lose 10 pounds in just 1 week, and then our fitness log week number 8 for quarter 3, and then we have International Women's Day discussion board number 2. That one's going to be due Wednesday/Thursday of this week, and then we've got our 1 mile run and our PFT plank punch test, and those 2 are due by Friday. So just make sure that you're paying attention to the due dates on the assignments. So we go ahead and go to modules, and then that'll take us to the week number 8 module. So let me click here. So notice when you go to week 8 of quarter 3, you'll see that all of the files are still grayed out. You cannot click on them. So just make sure that you are watching this video in its entirety. And then once you watch the entire instructional video, once you click next, it will unlock the rest of the assignments for the week. Okay, and the first assignment that we have is it's a PFT plank punches instructional video, and then here are the written instructions down here. Once you've looked through everything and you've watched the video, you'll go ahead and click next. That will take you to the plank punch quiz. Okay, so you're gonna watch the video, and then you'll go ahead and practice doing the plank punches, and then you'll go ahead and submit your score. So just remember that each punch for each arm is worth 1. Okay. So when you click take the quiz, once you've got enough practice in, you've tried to do as many as you can at one time, just make sure you count your total number, follow the instructions here, and then you're just going to go ahead and record your score. So say you were able to do 50 plank punches, which would be 25 on each side without stopping. You would go ahead and submit your score as 50 and then hit submit, and you're good to go for that assignment, and it's due by Friday. You have all week to do it. Just don't forget to complete it. And then if you go ahead and head back over to modules, and like once again, you'll notice that everything's unlocked now. So the next assignment is going to be your fitness logbook for week number 8, and you have your choice of workout. So you just have to work out for at least 30 minutes. And just a couple of reminders. I've been mentioning this every week, but if you are doing just a regular fitness log, just make sure that you're recording this information properly. If you decide that you want to go out and walk, run, or bike for 30 minutes, just submit the screenshot from your running app. So if you're going to bike, make sure you use Strava. It has a really good way to record biking. And then if you're just going to walk or run, you can use Nike or Strava, either one. And then just all you need to do is upload a photo of the 30-minute walk or run or bike ride. And then if you plan to do any exercises, just make sure that your fitness log is thoroughly filled out. Okay, reminder, you get 10 points for the following items. So you get for the date of exercise, you get 1 point, 5 points for the detailed information, or if you just include a screenshot, you'll get 5 points for that. And then total duration of your workout, which should be at least 30 minutes, you'll get 2 points. And then for your exercise intensity, you'll get 2 points as well. So make sure you're including all that information when you turn in your fitness log. If you're noticing that you're missing some points, it's probably because you're not submitting certain things. So just make sure that you're checking the rubric here to see what all point value is worth. And then if you go ahead and click to submit this, you're going to go ahead and hit the blue button to click submit assignment, and you can either do a file upload, text entry, website URL, or Google Drive. You have all these different ways to submit this assignment. Once you've submitted the assignment, you'll go ahead and hit the once you go ahead and submit the assignment, you'll hit the blue button, and then it'll automatically submit for you. Okay, and then the next assignment for Monday/Tuesday is going to be a quiz, and then you have a reading to do. So you'll read the article, How to Lose 10 Pounds in 1 Week. If it doesn't automatically load, remember you can just click this white link here, and then it'll take you to a new page. So go ahead and read through this, and then After you've read through everything, you'll go ahead and click next, and then it'll take you straight to the quiz. And the instructions here are just to read the article that we just looked at. Afterwards, you take the quiz. You have 30 minutes to answer 10 multiple choice questions. And just wanted to give a shout out to Baraka Mahadi for creating this week's quiz. So then to start, you just click the blue button to take the quiz, and it'll be multiple choice. Okay, and then the next assignment you have is going to be the Wednesday/Thursday assignment. So you have your cardiovascular day or metaconda. And once again, you're going to do a mile. You have all week to do it. So try to make sure that you pick a day that the weather's at its best. Because of the time change, you guys now have 1 more hour of daylight every day. So take advantage of it. And you get points awarded for the following items. So these are for running outdoors. And then you can, if you are using Nike Run, just look for my challenge that I post up. Like I usually do a 1 mile challenge weekly. So if you just join that challenge and complete your run, I can see what you've done from there. And then if not, if you want to do Metaconda, you can also record yourself doing the Metaconda workout. And then here are the running indoor instructions. So you make sure that you include on the actual treadmill dashboard your full name, date, and the word of the week, which is Serena Williams. Okay. If you have any questions, once again, you can always email me, send me a message, and then we can Zoom if you have any other questions. And then the last assignment for the week is going to be your International Women's Day #2 discussion board. So last week you wrote about one female athlete and their notable contribution to athletics. So this week you're going to write about another female athlete using this #2 discussion board. Make sure that you share one paragraph about a female athlete and their notable accomplishments to the athletic world. So 5 complete sentences will be 2 points per sentence, so for a total of 10 points. So make sure that when you go to complete this assignment, you're just going to go ahead and hit the reply button, and then you'll go ahead and write your paragraph and then submit it. Okay. If you have any questions about this one, you can always send me a message, and we can Zoom as well. And those are your assignments for this week. They're pretty straightforward, but if you, like I said, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to Zoom with you guys. Okay. Have a good week. Thank you.